Hi everyone, it's Shannon with J&S King Family Farm, and today we're actually out at my dad's. We're getting ready to tap the maple trees, and just some real basic tools. We've got a drill set up, and we've got our lids with the holes, we've got our spiral and line, and we've got 5-gallon buckets that we're using for collection. There we go. So this tree has 2, and we're going to put 2 taps in it in just 1 bucket. So we want to kind of go on the south side of the tree. And just pull the drill out a little bit so you get all the little bits out. That'll plug up the tap. Can't go get help. And then we've just got our tap and our line. We're going to put it in and just tap it gently. And I like the wooden mallet so we're not busting the taps because they're plastic. And when it's colder when you're doing it, you're going to break them. Oop, thanks. So, and if you've only got 1 tree in the backyard, you just put a tap in a bucket, and it's a good little project with the kids. They'll like it. And you get a little maple syrup when you're done. Kind of it. We did 11 trees total, so we have 11 5-gallon buckets, but we have more than 1 line in some of the trees because they're big enough for that. So that's kind of it. My dad, he'll come out and check the taps every day. It's a bit of a walk around for him on the snowshoes, and once we have about 15 gallons I'll start boiling, and I bring it over to my place and I just do it. I have a gas stove and a commercial range hood, so I just do it inside because that's my setup for now and it works for me. So I hope it's something that you give a try with your kids. Even if you got 1 tree in the backyard, it's kind of a fun little project, and if you end up with a pint of syrup, it's something that you can say you did with your kids, or you did, and it's a skill that you have to boil down some syrup, and it may not be perfect, but it's pretty good. So thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you here next time on the farm.